Samsung is going all out. The Galaxy S23 Ultra's camera is being tested as we speak, with more image samples showing that the beast is far more capable than current smartphones right now in one key area, which is detail. The 200 megapixel f1.7 aperture sensor of the Galaxy S22 Ultra is causing some destruction when put next to the Pixel 7 Pro and the S22 Ultra. In this sample, you can see quite a lot of detail as well as better color balance on the S23 Ultra. Keep in mind the S23 Ultra is not ready yet, so it's probably done on a pre-release software. What's incredible is that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will take 50 megapixel photos by default rather than 12 megapixel. As per latest info via iSuniverse, Samsung has apparently unlocked great HDR performance even at 50 MP mode, which is something that we haven't seen on other brands, giving us a proper boost in detail without sacrificing the HDR performance. It's also been revealed that the S23 Ultra's camera has the widest aperture since the S22 Ultra, which is at f1.7. Let me know what you think about these image samples in the comment section below. Also in the news, while the S23 Ultra is getting a brand new main camera sensor, there's going to be one new camera sensor for all the S23 models, and that is going to be the front camera sensor. Samsung is making an entirely new 12 megapixel front camera sensor for all Galaxy S23 models. It's probably going to have a larger size as well as wider aperture for even more detailed selfies and videos. Furthermore, Samsung's manufacturing plans are leaked. Apparently, they're planning to make 32 million units of the Galaxy S23 series. 50% would be the S23 Ultra and 30% of the production will go towards the Galaxy S23 Plus, and finally 20% for the vanilla-based Galaxy S23. Now, last but not the least, the big official day for the Galaxy S23 series is almost here. Tomorrow, Qualcomm is going to reveal the Snapdragon Agent 2, so make sure you subscribe to the channel for the full coverage. The Agent 2 is bringing some incredible new features, and one of those features is the Wi-Fi 7 capability, making the S23 series one of the first in the world to have this standard, bringing the fastest Wi-Fi performance on any smartphone 4 times than the previous generation. Be sure to subscribe for that, and let me know what you think about these image samples of the S23 Ultra next to current phones. Drop your thoughts down below in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.